Hey guys, it's me. I'm here to help you out. We're getting ready to do some math. We're going to practice 2 by 2 digit multiplication using area models. So we've been doing area models with our 3 by 2 digits, not 3 by 2, 3 by 1 digit and 2 by 1 digit, where we draw the square and we kind of divide it up. So now we're going to do this with 2 by 2. So let's take a problem. Let's take 23 times 14, okay? So before with the 2 by 1 and 3 by 1, we only had one two-digit number that we would have to split up into expanded form. Well, now we have two two-digit numbers, so we have to split them both up into expanded form. So what we're going to do is we are going to draw not a rectangle this time, but more like a square. We're going to divide that square up into 4 parts. Just kind of draw a cross through the middle. And let's take the number 23 and let's split that up into expanded form. If we were to split it up, what would it be? You got it. It would be 20 plus 3. So we're going to put those on the side. Alright, now we've got to do the same thing with 14. If we were to split 14 up into expanded form, what two numbers would it be? Excellent. It would be 10 and 4. Okay, so now all we have to do is we are going to multiply the numbers on the side by the numbers at the top. And we are going to put these products in the squares inside our box. So let's start with 20 and 10. We multiply those together. You should get 200. And then when you multiply 20 times 4, you should get 80. Okay, now we've got to do the same thing with 3. We've got to multiply again. It's a number on the side times the numbers on the top. So 3 times 10 is 30. That goes in this box. And then 3 times 4 would be 12. Alright, so we found all the products. So now what we have to do is we have to take those products and add them up. So we're going to add 200 plus 80 plus 30 plus 12. So 2 plus 0 is going to be 2. 8 plus 3 plus 1 is 12. So that would be 2. Carry our 1. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer to our problem is 322. Not so bad. So let's try another one. Let's multiply 34 times 26. Okay, first step, draw a box. Second step, divide the box into 4 parts. Third step, divide our factors up into expanded form. So 34 in expanded form would be 30 plus 4. 26 in expanded form would be 20 plus 6. Okay? Next step, we're going to multiply the numbers on the side times the numbers on the top. So if we were to multiply 30 times 20, we will get 600. If we multiply 30 times 6, we're going to get 180. Okay? Notice the numbers on the side and the numbers on the top, wherever we multiply them, that's the box that they fit in. So 30 times 20, they meet right here in the middle of their box. 30 times 60, they meet right there in their box. Okay, so let's do the same thing with 4. 4 times 20 is 80, and 4 times 6 is 24. If you can remember our last step. Alright, we are going to add up our products. So 600 plus 180 plus 80 plus 24. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 8 plus 2 would be 18. Carry our 1. 1 plus 6 plus 1 would be 8. So our answer to 34 times 26 is 884. Alright, I think it's time for you to challenge yourself and you to take one on all by yourself. Alright, so what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to multiply 41 times 18. 41 times 18. So go ahead, write that down, solve the problem using area models, and then don't forget to pause it. Pause it, come back to me when you're ready. Alright, good luck. I know you can do it. Alright, welcome back. Here we go. So hopefully the first step you did was you drew a box. Second step, divided the box up into 4 parts. Third step, you are taking your 2-digit numbers and you are going to write them in expanded form. So 41, you should have 40 plus 1, and then 18, you should have 10 plus 8. Now we've got to multiply the numbers on the side times the numbers on the top. 40 times 10 is 400. 40 times 8 would be 320. Next up, we've got to multiply the 1 times our numbers on the top. 1 times 10 is 10. 1 times 8 is 8. Last step, add up all of our products. So we have 400 plus 320 plus 10 plus 8. Okay, we add these up. We get 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. So our final answer should be 738. How'd you do? Hopefully you did awesome. If you are still struggling, okay, no big deal. Rewind the video. Play it again as much as you need to. Remember to pause when you see the problem so you can try to work it out on your own. Then when you hit play, you can always check your answers with what I'm doing here. So I wish you the best of luck.